Hey everybody, this is Mike. Today we're working on a Chevrolet Trailblazer. So I got a 2002 Chevy Trailblazer. It's the wife's car. Having a random misfire on the engine. 2 years ago I went through and bought all new coils for it, and it seemingly worked. But then the misfire came back. So what we have is a variable timing solenoid here. This goes in here. All right. I changed this 2 years ago and bought it off eBay, and the vehicle started to act up again. I did the simple things. Well, I noticed this. What's this? I don't have any camera people to help me. This is turning. So when you do your ohms test on it, it's supposed to be around 8. I noticed when it was hot, it was jumping up and down. So I went down to the local parts store, part number TS1012, and reluctantly purchased yet another one. This is what the new one looks like. Now this one does not turn. See? Here's what I believe is the symptomatic one. So what this does is, as your engine runs, it basically tells spark and fuel what to do. So I do believe this is the issue. You're going to need a 10 and a 12 millimeter. The way you take it off is you go into your serpentine belt, loosen it up. You got 3 bolts for your power steering pump. You back off your power steering pump, you unclip it, you slide that out. I'm going to prep this one with a little bit of grease around the new area here. I'll slide it in, put it all back together, and we will find out. Random misfire P0300 on the meter. Thanks.